Wow. All right, so I just finished. I just finished chest and shoulders. Now I'm on the triceps, and for triceps today, I'm just gonna do skull crushers. Three, no, I need more than 3 sets. Four or 5 sets, all to failure, of course. I'm gonna use this bar, put 25s on there. I think it's about to start raining. It looks like it's about to start raining, and my cover thing to cover my phone is in the house, so I kind of need to hurry up and knock these out. Ugh. Ta, 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 ta. Ah. Ooh. Ah. Ah. Ooh. Like I said earlier, all these sets go into failure. Um, I'm gonna probably end up doing 3 or 4. I guess it depends on how the second one moves. But I'm either doing 3 or 4 sets, and I'm gonna slowly decrease the rest time after each set. Cause for one, to keep the triceps burning, but for two, I'm kind of in a rush because I think it's gonna rain, and I don't have the thing to cover my phone from the rain. So, well, I'm trying to really hurry up. I'm not even gonna switch the camera angle in this video. We just gonna snap, snap, snap. The last video was gonna be short. This one probably gonna be shorter. Oh, ah, 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 ooh, ah, ah, ah. One more. Come on. Ah. I'm gonna do 4 sets. 3 ain't enough. I'm gonna do 4. Well, 3 could be enough, but hey, it is whatever. Oh, I'm starting to get hungry now. I get done. First thing, I'm going there and eat. Really a blessing. I have all this scenery to look at. Actually, get outside. Oxygen. Well, fresh air, birds. Everything is so calm and peaceful. Oh. I probably I'll move the camera for this one. Move it a little closer. Or side to the side. But for the third, I'm gonna do one more set. We'll call it a day.